electronic presentation. Right? Electronic presentation. Simply we can say that e-presentation. In singular, we call that the electronic samarpana කියලා කියනවා. Right? Samarpana. Under this session, right, we talk about what is electronic presentation, right? And also we talk about different kind of tools that we use for to prepare electronic presentations, and also there are some kind of tools that we discuss about OHP projectors, right? Slide projectors and multimedia projectors, right? We will discuss one by one again. So why do we need to prepare electronic presentation? What is presentations, right? Simply we can say that if anyone needs to express their views, thoughts, ideas, or knowledge to some other persons, then we can prepare a presentation, right? We can prepare a presentation. කාගේ හරි තියෙන අදහසක් හරි දැනුමක් වෙන කෙනෙක්ට සම්ප්‍රේෂණය කරන්න වෙන කෙනෙක්ට දෙන්න අපිට පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන් මෙන්න මේ presentation කියන option එක. හරි? We already discussed about there are some tools, right? Tools. What are they? We talk about OHP projector, right? There's another one called that slide projector. There was another one we talk about multimedia projector. So what is OHP projectors? OHP means overhead projector, right? In Sinhala we call that, right, උඩිස් ප්‍රක්ෂේපණ යන්ත්‍ර, overhead projector. What is overhead projector? In the overhead projector, OHP projector, right, transparent sheet, right? We use transparent sheet to present something using OHP projector, right? We have to do some effort to prepare this kind of sheet, right? And also we cannot insert audios, videos to transparent sheet, and also we cannot reuse this kind of transparent sheet. We cannot reuse this transparent sheet. These are the disadvantages, right? Disadvantages of the overhead projector. We cannot add audios, videos, and also we cannot reuse transparent sheet again and again, right? These are some kind of disadvantages OHP projector. After that, introduce slide projector, right? Projector. You can see the image in your textbook, right? Slide projector. In Sinhala we call that the දුෂ්‍යරාමු ප්‍රක්ෂේපණ යන්ත්‍රය. දුෂ්‍යරාමු ප්‍රක්ෂේපණ යන්ත්‍රය. Right? දුෂ්‍යරාමු ප්‍රක්ෂේපණ යන්ත්‍රය. In here we have to prepare slides. We have to prepare some slides, right? If you want to add an image, we have to take images, right? Images using camera, right? Then we need to send those photos or images into the lab. Then we need to fix it, and then we can add to the slides. We have some efforts to prepare slides here, and also we cannot use these slides again and again. That means we cannot reuse these kind of slides. හරි අපිට නැවත නැවත පාවිච්චි කරන්න මේ slide එකක් හැදුවට පස්සේ. And also we cannot insert, right, videos, right, audios, right, and also animations into slides. These are the disadvantages of the slides projector. හරි මේක තමයි අමාරුයි තියෙන්නේ slides projectors වල. Right, with the development of information communication technology introduce a new tools, that is a multimedia projector, right? You know about this one, multimedia projector. We can insert, right, text, right, then animation, then videos, right, and also charts, right? We can insert text, animations, videos, charts, images into PowerPoint presentation with the support of the multimedia projectors. We can use these tools to present presentations. Multimedia projector. We can insert text, animation, videos, charts, images, lot, right? These are the advantages of the multimedia projector. After that, right, after that we talk about two kind of softwares that we can use, right? Basically two types to prepare presentation. One is commercial, right? Commercial software, right? Other one is open source software, right? Basically we can categorize into two categories. One is a commercial software. We have to pay money to purchase these softwares, and there is another category we call that open source software. No need to pay money to use these kind of softwares. Let's say for examples for commercial softwares, right? We can best example for this one is Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint. And also there's some other versions, Apple, right? Apple. The version name is Apple Keynote, right? You can see it is in your book, right? There's another one called that the Coral presentation, right? MS PowerPoint, Apple Keynote, Coral presentation. These are some examples for the commercial versions. You need to pay money to use these kind of softwares. Examples for the open source softwares, what are they?
LibreOffice.
LibreOffice, right?
Google Slides.
Google Slide. This is online version today, right? We will talk about today in this version. Google, right? There is another one. Can you remember? That is called that is open office. Open office. And also there's another one called that is WPS office. WPS office, right? These are some examples for the open source softwares that we can use to prepare presentations, right? After that, we need to talk about, right, what are the good qualities, right, good characteristic when you prepare a presentation, right? Qualities or characteristic, right? What are the good characteristic for this? ලක්ෂණ මොනවාද? හොඳ presentation එකක් හදනවා නම් මොනවද තියෙන ලක්ෂණ? Right? What are they? What are they?
Font.
Right. We have to consider about the font that you use. Font that you use.
Number of words.
Number of words. And also lines.
Appearance.
Sorry?
Appearance.
Appearance. Appearance. You need to consider about the appearance of the presentation. Next. What are the other things? What are the other devas? Appearance. And also it should be error free, right? Grammatical mistakes should be free, right? Errors should be. And also what are the other examples? What are characteristic? Appearance, font size should be at least 32 point, right? If you insert a paragraph, only you can insert 6 to 9 lines into a particular slide. When you talk about the appearance, right, and also color, don't use, right, like red colors. It is very difficult to reader's eyes, right? තද වර්ණ යොදා ගන්න හොඳ නැහැ මේකට. හරි කියවන එක්කනට හරි අමාරු ඇහැට. Then what are the other things today?
The animation and video.
Animation and videos. Animation and videos.
Inserting images, drawings, tables or graphs.
All right, very good. When you insert animation or videos or audios into your presentation, right, you need to insert one animation or one video to a particular slide. Video එකක් හරි එක slide එකකට තමයි දාන්න ඕනේ. නැත්නම් ඒක හොඳ නැහැ. One slide, right? Then images. Images, drawing, charts, right? You can use 2 images per slides, right? 2 images per slide, right? Slide images දෙකක් වගේ use කරන්න ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ, right? These are some good characteristics, right, when you are preparing a good electronic presentation, right? Last week we talked about how to prepare a electronic presentation based on the what package for the what software? MS PowerPoint, right? Last week we talked about the how to getting started with the MS PowerPoint, right? These are the summary of the last week session, right? Right, today we have to do some practical, how to prepare a presentation using a Microsoft PowerPoint. And also I am today willing to teach you how we can use online versions of the PowerPoint based on the Microsoft 365 version. 365 version, and also have to talk about that is OneDrive. OneDrive today, right? OneDrive, Microsoft 365 versions. Right. Let's move to the practicals. Any questions for today? Kuna ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද? Sharon?
No, sir.
Dinusha, any problem with it?
No, sir.
All right. Then we can start practicals, right? Right. I will share my screen.
Sir, yesterday I watched your website making video.
Right. Did you watch that?
Yes, sir.
මම හිතුවා participate වෙයි කියලා ඒකට ඒ session එකට.
Sir, is it everyone can join?
Yes. Anyone can, if anyone have interest on design and creating websites, they can join because
Sir, on Sunday I have a class at
no,
7.
it was a Saturday one, no? Yeah, last week Saturday.
Okay, sir.
Right. Now you can
Join, sir.
now you can watch it on YouTube, Pute, ne?
I saw it, sir.
Right. Now you can create a website, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Do you have a basic idea about that today?
Yes, sir.
Right. That is one kind of technology, CMS, content management system, right? You will learn it in a grade 11. That is the last session of the grade 11. Right? 11 වසරේ අවසාන පාඩම තමයි මේ පුතේ. 11 වසරේ කට්ටිය තමයි කරේ. ඒ වුණාට කවුරු හරි ඉන්නවනම් ආසාවෙන් ඒක තමයි මම link එක දුන්නේ එන්න කියලා. Right. I will share my screen, right? Right. This is your textbook. So far we have discussed about electronic presentation and also what is mean by a presentation. Here you can see a definition. People make presentation to share their views, opinions, ideas, and the knowledge with a large group of people, right? And also we talk about what is OHP projectors. You can see transparent sheet using the overhead projectors. What are the disadvantages of the OHP projectors? Now you know about that. And also now you know about what is a slide projectors, right? And also what are the disadvantages of these slide projectors. Next we talk about the multimedia projectors. Now you can see that what are the advantages of the multimedia projectors than compared with the OHP projectors and the slide projector, right? Then we move to the good characteristic of good qualities of the presentations. When you make a presentation, please consider these qualities, right? Or characteristic. First one is number of lines. In this, you can see that, right? Most appropriate number of lines per slides are 6 to 9. Put it, right? 6 to 9. Don't put more than that, right? 9 වලට වැඩිය lines දාලා ගියොත් එහෙම ඒක හොඳ presentation එකක් නෙමෙයි. That is not good presentation. And also font size, right? Here that mentioned that it is an accepted norm to keep the font size at 32 points. Next one is correct use of grammar and language, right? It is must that you double check the grammar, spellings, and use of language by reading the slides carefully. And also when you insert images, drawing, and tables, right, it is not suitable to insert more than 2 images, right? Drawings, table, or graph. in each slides. Maximum you can insert 2 images or 2 drawings or 2 tables for a particular slide. Next, use of colors. Right here mentioned that use of the colors in the presentations is very important factor. We can use dark colors, bold letters, or use of different points to emphasize certain points. The use of dark red color throughout the slides is a not good practice, right? Please consider these things. And also, when you insert animations and video, right, it is better to insert one animation or video per slides. And also, you need to address the target group when you prepare a presentation. Next, we talk about the presentation softwares. Basically, we categorize into two. One is a free, or we can say that open source. Other one is commercial softwares. We give some examples. What are the commercial softwares? What are the open source softwares? Then we here mentioned that how to get started with the MS PowerPoint, right? Before going to that, I will show some kind of videos. This one also based on I prepared using a MS PowerPoint. You can see some animation. Animation. MS PowerPoint only. I will show another one.
Sir, how to get that animation?
I will teach you today. මේව තමයි අද පාඩම් ටික. මේ කරන විදිය තමයි මම කියා දෙන්නේ අද මේවා. හරි නේද?
Okay, sir.
This one. Right? You can see a fish tank like this. Prepared using a MS PowerPoint. පේනව නේද? පොඩි animation ටිකක් තියෙන පුතේ. Animation දෙකයි තියෙන්නේ මෙතන. There are 2 animations here. Right? This one also I prepared using MS PowerPoint. Now I am in the desktop today, right? All of can see my desktop now. How we can start?
Start button.
Yes, just click on start button. Then you can type PowerPoint, right? You can see there are 2 versions in my laptop. Now I am going to explain about this version. This is 2016 version, and also you can see there are 2007 versions of it. There is, right? My Microsoft PowerPoint 2007 version. But I am going to explain about the 2016 version. Just click on it. Now you can see the backstage view, right? Backstage view of the PowerPoint. Right, in here you can see different kind of templates, right? One is a blank, other one is welcome to PowerPoint, or you can see there are different kind of templates. If you go down, you can see the recently opened files here. Okay? Here you can see recently opened file. Then if you go to accounts, you can see your account in this way, and also you can check your versions also, right? You can see my versions is Microsoft Office Home and Business 2016 version, right? Here you can manage your account details, user account details. You can add a photo also. Change your photo, then you can add a photo. And also in this place, you can see connected services. I have already connected 2 services here. One is OneDrive, other one is Sites. Today I am going to explain about OneDrive. So OneDrive, then, right? Then again I go to Home, then I click on the blank presentation. Click on blank presentation to open a new presentation. Right now you can see the basic interface of the Microsoft PowerPoint. Right. In this area, you can see my cursor. My cursor again. This is we call that the quick access toolbar. Right. Quick access toolbar. In Sinhala we call that the Ikman Pravesha Mevalan Thiruwa in Sinhala. In here, right? In here you can see my cursor now, right? We call that the title bar. Title bar. Sinhala we call that the Matruka Thiruwa. In you can see form, insert, design, transition, animation, slides, record, review, view, help, acrobat. These are we call that the tabs. In Sinhala we call that the patiti Thiruwa. And if you consider about the home tab now you can see in this kind of interface in this area. We call that the ribbon. And in this side, you can see slide pane. We call it slide pane in this side, slide pane. And this area, right? We call that the workspace. In Sinhala. Right? Next, in this area, you can see note pane. If you want to add a note, you can put into this place. Right? Then you can see the comments also. If you want to add a comment, you can use these options, comments. Then you can see three kind of views, right? Now we are in the normal view. If you want to switch into slide sort of view, like this. If you want to move to reading view, this is the reading view, right? If you want to move normal view, now we are in the normal view. Then here you can see slideshow button. When you are going to present the presentation, you can click on the slideshow button. The shortcut key is F5 key. In the keyboard, you can see a key called that the F5 function 5 key. Right? In here, you can see zoom control option. Right? If you want to increase the slides, just click on plus button. If you want to reduce it, just click on minus, like this. Right? Like this and like this. Right? This is the basic structure of the Microsoft PowerPoint. Then, how can I open existing or prepared presentation? Just go to file. Then you can see option called that is open. Just open. Then go to browse. Right? Then go to browse. I will open this presentation. Then you need to select the location. This is the presentation that I need to open. Just select it and click on open. Now you can see that a presentation, right? Look at this presentation. Now I am going to click on the slideshow view, right? Hope all of you can see the screen. Isn't it, Pute?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Look at the screen one by one. Just this is the first slide of this presentation. Next, I move to next slide, right? Now you can see animation, right? With the heading and also content, right? And also you saw some animation. Then like this. You can see a content. You can see a title, content, image, right? Image, and also again image. And here you can see I have embedded a video. If you want to play this one, just click on it. Then you can see the video like this. Again, I move to next slide. Again, you can see a title or heading. Then you can see numbered items, right? Finally, you can see a reference page. Here I have added hyperlinks here. And also you can see I have added, right, headers and footers, date and page numbers, right? This is the presentation that we are going to prepare now. හරි මේක තමයි මම දැන් හදන්න යන presentation එක. මේ වගේ presentation එකක් කොහොමද හදන්නේ කියලා. Right, how I can open a new one? Just click on Control N, right? That is a shortcut key. What is the shortcut key?
Control N.
Control N, right? Control N. Control N. Then you can see the design of this, right? You can see the design of this presentation.
Sir, is it circuits?
This one, Bude?
Yes, sir. That design is.
Yes. I will show it, right? Just go to design. You can see that one in this. Right. This one, Bude. Meaning circuit design, right? Circuit design. Like this, you can add. Right. If you now you need to add another slides, then just go to insert. Just go to insert. You can see your command called that the new slide. Then you can see a different kind of slides. Right. Now I am going to click on blank like this. Right. If you want to add another one, right, just go to display and you can click on blank. If it is not, you can duplicate these slides. How you can duplicate?
Right click, duplicate slide.
Duplicate slides like this. Then look at my presentation now. Here I will divide the screen into two like this. Now we can see clearly the content. Now here you can see I have added an image පුතේ. හරි මම මෙතන image එකක් දාලා තියෙන්නේ. Now I want to insert that image into this presentation. How can I insert image into the presentation? Right? Assume that now I am the home tab. Just you need to click on insert. You can see options called that the pictures. Just click on pictures. Then there are two options today. There are two options. One is this device, right? You can insert a local image using these options. That is this device, right? There's another option called that the online pictures. If you want to get an image from the online or internet or some other place, drive, just click on the online pictures. Now I am going to insert image using the first option, that is this PC or this device. Just click on it, right? Now I want to select the place, right? This is my place. Right? There's a folder called the images. Inside this folder, you can see my image. Just select the image and just click on insert. Now I have added that image. Now you can see a difference. Can you see that difference?
Sir, I think you have changed the solid color.
Yes, I have changed that, right? Just click on image first. Just click on image. Then just go to picture format. First, you need to click on the image. Then you can see a new tab called like the picture format. Then go to correction, right? Correction. You can see, select this one, or just go to color, right? Just go to color. You can see the option, wash out option, right? You can see there are different kind of colors, right? Like this, you can change it. Select the suitable one, right?
Sir, that washout one is suitable for this slide now.
Yes, that is wash out. That is suitable for this example. Then you can see how we can change the color of the added image using the color option. If it is not, you can use the correction also. Right? Correction also. There are some different kind of brightness. You can change the brightness and contrast. Right? There are lot of features in the 2016 and 2019 versions of the Microsoft PowerPoint. Right. Now we have added the slide of this presentation. Now it's okay. Next thing is, right? I want to add you can see here, footer, right? Footer area. How I can add a footer, right? Just go to insert tab. Just go to insert. Then you can see under the text group, there's an option called like the header and footer. Right? Just you can see options called the header and footer. Just click on it. Then you need to add date, right? Just click on it, date. And also you need to insert a slide number. Therefore, you need to check this one. And also footer. Then you need to give a name for that footer. Right? I have given this kind of one. ICT grade 10.
Sir, I think IoT front.
Right, IoT. 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 ICT grade 10. Right. Here you can see there are two special options. One is apply to all. If you want to apply into this slide only, just click on apply. If you want to apply this change into all the slides, just click on apply to all. Now you can see the second slide also, you can see that the right headers and footer options, right? Here you can see, and also here you can see. That is the way how to insert header and footer or numbering or date into presentation, right? Next thing. Now I am moving to next slide, right? Here you can see I have added the title here. The title is what is the Internet of Things? What is the Internet of Things? Right? Here I have already created a sample text for that. All right, this is the title that I want to insert. I will select this one, right? Copy. Then go to the second slide, right? Then I need to put that heading. Therefore, I will add a text box first, like this. Just click on text box. Now you can add that text heading like this. Just copy and paste, right? Then I need to change the font. I will change font into Arial, and I will increase the font size using this option. I will keep in 36 or like, and also I will bold the heading, and also I will center the heading like this. Then again I will go to my slides. Now you can see a background color also I have added here. How can I add the background color? Just click on the text box. Just go to shape format. Then you can see there are different options. One is under the shape style, you can see colored outline, dark one. This is colored outline, light accent one. Likewise, you can select a suitable one. I will select this one. Right. This is how to insert text into the slide. Right. Any questions so far? Dinusha, any questions for this?
No, sir.
Right. Sharon?
Uh-huh.
No. Right. Hari. Next thing. Now I need to insert this text. Right? You can see the text of font size is 32. Right? Again, I will copy this text from this notepad. Just right click and copy. Then again, I insert a text box. Just go to insert tab. You can see a text box from this area. Just click on text box. You can draw like this. Just right click and paste. Again, I change the font size. Therefore, you need to select all the text. How you can select all the text? Just press on Ctrl A button. Then you can select all the text. Right? Shortcut key is Ctrl plus A to select all the content. Right? Shortcut key is Ctrl plus A. Again, I am repeating it, right? What is the shortcut key? Ctrl plus A to select all the content. Right? Here, I need to select in this content. Then what I want to do?
Control A.
Press Ctrl A like this. Then I can change the font. Font is Arial. Then I will increase the font size. Either you can use this option, increase the font size. If it is not, you can use in this way. That's do. And I will align the paragraph. You can see there are four options here. One is align left, right? In this way. Another one is center like this. Other one is right. Other one is justify, right? According to this example, right? You can see it is justified. Right? You can justify kala tiyenne. Now it's okay. Like this. Then, before going to that next slide, I need to save this presentation, right? How you can save the presentation? Just click on File. There's an option called that is Save As. Then you can save using this PC. This PC, just click on this PC. Then you can place by clicking on the browse. Right. I will save it on my desktop. I will create a folder using this option. New folder. I will say that grade 10 PowerPoint lesson. Right? The folder name is grade 10 PowerPoint lesson. Then just click on open. Then give a name for your presentation. I will say that X. Right? I will say exercise 1. Save. Now I have already saved my presentation. Next thing what I have to do, that is third slide. Again I have to add the paragraph. Again I copy this content like this, just copy. Again I come back to my slides. Right? If you want to add that text into this slide, again we have to do what Pude? Again, what you have to do, just click on insert.
Control V.
You can just copy and paste here, but you can see here again we have to change again font like this, increase the font size. That is unnecessary work. What you can do is just duplicate this one. First you will try this one, duplicate this slide. Now you can change the content like this. Select, right click and paste like this. No need to change the font again, isn't it? Did you got the point?
Yes, sir.
නැත්තම් මොකද වෙන්නේ? අර විදිහටම ආයෙ text box එකක් දාගෙන කියොත් මේ again we have to change the font size, and also if you want to do another changes. If it is not, there's another way, that is, right, just select the formatted text, just click on the format painter, right, then go to that text that you want to format, just click on that font like this. Can වෙන තැනක apply කරලා තියෙන formatting එකක් ඕනි text එකකට දාගන්න පුළුවන්, apply කරන්න පුළුවන් by using format painter. Any questions?
No, sir.
Sharon, any question for this?
No, sir.
Right, you can use format painter. Right, I will delete this one because I have already added the content here. What I have to do is I have to change the title. No. Wait. No need to title here. What I can do is I can delete this one. Just select and just press on title button. I will adjust the content like this. Now it's okay. Again, it's a fourth slide. Again, you have to add the title and also text.
And take that format painter.
Right. You can take that using the format painter. I will duplicate the first slide also again, right? I will teach you a new one, right? But again, I will repeat this second slide, that is duplicate. Again, I can move this slide, right? You know that I can move the slides where I want. But slide එක move කරන්න පුළුවන් ඕනි තැනකට. මේ විතර අරයන් පුළුවන්. Click කරලා drag කරන්න පුළුවන්. Just click and drag it where you want. Now what I want to do is, now I need to change the content. Right. The title is this one. How does IoT work? Right. We come to this place and select. Just right click and paste option like this. Then I will add content like this. Select, right click, copy. Just select the existing content. Just right click and paste like this. Right. Now you can see It's okay. Now what we have to do is we have to insert that image, working of IoT image. It is very easy. Just click on insert. Just go to pictures. Click on this device. Right? Where I can see it, right, images. If it is not, just change the all files. Now you can see the image, right? This is the image. Just click on it and insert. Now there's a problem. Now you can see the entire slide. You can see that this image. What I can do is I can resize, right? Right? Using these options. Just click on it and you can adjust like this. Right? Or resize කරන්න පුළුවන් මේකට. or move කරන්න පුළුවන් image එක click කරලා ඕන තැනකට move කරන්න පුළුවන් like this. Right. Now what I have to do, I have to save. Right. You can save. The shortcut keys. What is the shortcut key for the save? Control plus S. Shortcut key for save, Control plus S. If it is not, you can just go to click on file. Then you can see option called that save. If it is not, there is another one. You can see it is in the quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar. This is the icon. Save. Here you can see the shortcut key also. Control plus S. Control plus S for save. Right? Save. Now, right, we have already prepared fourth slide. Now I want to create fifth slide. This one. Again, go to the next slide like this. I have to insert an image. It is very simple one. Just go to the insert, then pictures. Select this device. Select the picture and insert like this. Now you can see now there's a problem here. Here look closely, look at this picture. Now there's an issue. Sorry. Now there's an issue. What is that? Here in this image, you cannot see this line, border line. But
Crop it.
right, we can use the cropping tool to remove the unnecessary part of the image. How we can use that? Just right click and you can use crop. If it is not, right? If it is not, just click on the picture, then just go to picture format option, right? Right, picture format option. Under the subgroup of size, right? Size, under the size, you can see option that same option, right? Just click on crop. Then you can adjust the size like this, like this, like this, right? Like this, you can adjust. Then what you need to do, just click on again on that icon. Now it's okay. Right? Now you can adjust the size as you want, like this. Again, I click on the save button. If it is not, you can press on the Control plus S button. That is a shortcut key. Control plus S. Next thing. Next one is I have to insert the video. Right? Therefore, I need to add another slide. Just go to new slide. I will add a blank like this. Into this slide, I need to insert a video clip. Here you can see the video clip. This is the video clip that I need to insert into this slide. How can I add a video clip? Right? This is the way. Just go to insert tab. Right? Insert tab. All right. You can see under media category, option called as the video. Here also you can see there are two options. Video on my PC, right? If there is a video in your PC, local PC, just click on video on my PC. If it is not, if it is in the YouTube or some other place, right? Just click on online video. Right? Here you need to put the URL. Right? How I can get that URL? Just go to site. If you want to take this video, just right click on it and just click on copy video URL. Copy video URL. Now I copied the URL of this video. Just come to the displays and just right click and paste. Right? Now you just click on the insert. Right? Now you can see that the thumbnail of the video. Like this, you can adjust the size as you want, like this. You can do that like this. If you want to check the video, just click on this icon. All right, you can watch the video. Right. Again, I am click on the save button. Right. Again, I have to prepare this 7th slide. This one. I will add another slide by using new slide option. Just click on new slide. Just click on blank. Right. Here I have to put a title. Again, I will duplicate the first slide like this. Duplicate. I will move into this place. Then I will put the title. This one. What are the benefits of IoT to organization? Just right click and copy. Just select all and just right click and paste option. You can adjust the size using this option, arrow keys like this. Next thing is I have to put this content. I will select like this, Control C for copy, Control C for copy, right? Control V for paste. Control V for paste. If it is not, just right click and just click on keep text only option. Now what I have to do is look at the original one. Now we have to insert the number. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like. How we can do that? Just select all the items, right? Then just go to paragraph 2 here. You can see paragraph 2. Just click on numbering. Right here you can see there are different kind of numbering options. Types. One is this way, other one is this way, other one A, B, C, simple ABC likewise. Right? According to this scenario, I have used this option. Like this, you can add. Again, I click on this save button. Now it's okay. Finally, I have to add a reference slide. I will add into this one reference. I will add a text box to type reference. Just go to insert tab. You can see draw a text box like this. Just type reference. Like this. I will change the font into area, increase the font size like this, and voltage, change the font color using font color option, change into black. Right. Next thing is I have add the URL of that website. How I can add a URL. Right. This is a website that I need to insert as a reference. Just select the web URL first like this. Just select the web URL like this. Just right click and copy. Now I copied this URL. Come to in this place, and how I can add this one, that URL. Just right click and just right click. Right, if it is not, how I can add here under it is not. I will show it again. Just go to URL, copy, format, comment, link.
Insert link.
Yes, yeah. I have this disabled one.
Then now go and see. Don't know whether earlier not copied or not.
Wait.
Sir, in the insert tab, there was a thing called link.
Yes, Buddha. Wait, copy. It should be work. That chart link. That one is disabled, Buddha. Here you can see it is disabled now. What we can do is first I will do like this. I will draw the line text box. Then I will paste the link like this. Right. Then I will select the link. Just right click and now you can see the hyperlink option now. Right. Hyperlink. Now it's okay. Text to display. According to this scenario, you can see a entire web URL like this. Then here you need to put the address. Here you need to put the address. I will paste the address again like this. Just click on OK. Now it's okay. Or not. Now it's okay. First you have to insert the text box. If it is not, link is disabled. It is not, it's not work. Right. Again, I click on save. Right. Again, now, any questions so far?
No, sir.
Right. What about Dinusha?
No, sir.
Right. Next thing. What do you know about Internet of Things, Sharon and Dinusha? Make a part but you need to learn about what Internet of Things, IoT.
Is like everything in the modern world.
Everything in the model world connected to the
Internet.
What are the devices? All the devices.
Phones,
Smartphone,
computers,
computers, all the devices connected to the internet and all the things connected using a smartphones and the technologies. Right? Trending technology, Internet of Things, IoT. Simply we can say that it's a IoT. Right? Exam IoT. Right? IoT. Next thing is, right? I want to add transition into this slide. How I can add transition? First, select the slide that you want to add transition. Select it. Just go to transition. You can see there are a lot of transition here. Here you can see there are a lot. Select the suitable one. Right? Select the suitable one. Right? Select suitable one. I will select this one. Right? For the first slide. For the second slide, same. Third slide, same. Fourth slide, same. Fifth slide, same.
Sir, can't we click apply to all?
Yes, sir, sure. We can, here you can see apply to all. Just click on split, apply to all. Now you can see that all the slide we have added the transition, that is split one. Right? You can use this option, apply to all options, right? If you add separate transition, like one for cut, one for reveal, or likewise, then you have to do one by one. Right. Now again, I click on save. Now it's okay. Now I have, what I have to do is I have animations. All right. Assume that I want to add animations into this heading. First, you need to select or click on this. Right? Click on this. Just go to animation. Right? You can select any kind of animation, suitable animation. I will select split one. Split. Right? Again, I want to add the animation into this paragraph. Just click on it and select. Just click on suitable animation like this into this page also. Right? Select the text first, then just go to animation. Select the suitable animation. Right? I will select into this one also. Right? Next one here. I will select. First select, just go to animation, click on the suitable animation split. I will add into this one also, split. One by one I will add here, split. 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 Right. Again I click on the save button. We will save the PowerPoint presentation.
If we want to change the way the steps to be happen, we can take no animation pane and change it.
Yes.
Sir, I have done it too while making a Vesak lantern.
Very good. Can you send it to me?
Okay, sir, I will send it.
Right, I will see it, right? Right. Then I want to check this presentation now, it is okay or not. Just click on the slideshow view. Now I can see my presentation, right? Like this. Like this. It's working nicely, right? Now you can see the inserted.
Why can't we adjust the time? It is so fast.
No. This is manual. I am configure to the. Mummy, I think configure කරගෙන තියෙන්නේ. මේ මම ක්ලික් කරනකොට තමයි යන්නේ. ඔටෝ යන්නේ නැහැ.
Okay, sir.
ටයිම් වලට නේ වැඩ කරන්නේ. හරි? ටයිම් තියලා නැහැ මේකේ. මම මේ arrow keys press කරනකොට තමයි මේ වැඩ කරන්නේ. මේ හරි? ටයිම් තියලා අපිට හදන්න පුළුවන් ටයිමින් වලට. හරි? මම මේ නිකන් මේ arrow keys press කරනකොට තමයි මේක වැඩ කරන්නේ. Right. How I can stop this one? Just right click on it and click on end show. Again, come back to the usual place that we were previously. Now we have a problem that is, right? How we can take a printout of this presentation? Hari?
Sir, we can't take the printout of that video.
No, we cannot take the printout of the video. Only we can take this picture. Hari?
It's a file print.
File. I just go to file and just click on a print, right? Here, now we can take the printer. Right? Here, look at the options. Here, under settings, right? Under settings, you can see the important setting. One is full page slide. Now we are in the full page slide. If you want to change this one, now you can see the different options. Look at this one. Note pages. You can keep a note using the note pages. And the outline, you can see the slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, like this. And also one slide like this, 2 slide like this, 3 slide like this. This is a slide. There's a space to write some note. And 4 slide, 6 slide, 9 slide like this. You can change the way that you want, and also you can change the orientations of the slide. Now we are in the portrait view, like this portrait, and you can change it to landscape slide. Then I will select this option, 4 slide horizontal option, like this. Maybe we have to change one. Then just you need to select the printer, connected printer. Then just click on the print button. There's another one. Consider into this option, that is print on both sides. If you want to print on both sides of the page, just select it. Print on both sides. If it is not, if you want one side, just click on the print one side. Right? That is how to print a prepared PowerPoint presentation.
What is that? No staples?
No.
What is that? No staples?
No staples means the सामान्य a staple top එක මේ අපි සාමාන්‍ය පින් කටු ගහන්නේ staple top left අර සාමාන්‍ය print out එක දාගත්තට පස්සේ staple කරන්න තැන තමයි location එක. මේ වගේ අර සාමාන්‍ය print out එකක් ගත්තට පස්සේ staple කරන place එකක් තියෙනවනේ. ඒ විදිහට මේකේ options තියෙනවා. දැන් නම් මේක disable මේ staple top right in this right, staple bottom of right in this way. Right? ඒ විදිහට. Next thing, now how I can save this my presentation, right, into PDF versions.
Save as.
Just go to save as, right? Just click on this PC, browse. Now here, save as type, change into what? PDF. What do you mean by PDF? What do you mean by PDF? What do you mean by PDF? Dinusha, do you know about the meaning of PDF?
No, sir. I don't know about that.
Right, Sharon?
No, sir.
PDF means portable document format. P means portable, D means document, F means format. That means, right, if you change as a PDF, we can open it any device, right? We can open it using a smartphone, laptop, tab, right? Desktop, any device. It is support all the devices. But if you save it as a PPTX mean PPTX. What do you mean by PPTX, Putha?
PowerPoint presentation.
PowerPoint presentation. It is not supported for some devices. Sorry, some devices sort of support karane, but if you save it as a PDF, it is support all the devices. That means that portable document format. We can open it using any device. හරි වල සාමාන්‍ය print out එකක් එහෙම ගන්න යනකොට PDF කරගෙන යන්න සමහර print out ගන්න shop වල support කරන්නේ නැහැ හරි අපි හදාගෙන යන PowerPoint presentation එකකින් print out ගන්න බෑ හරි නැත්නම් අපි content එක change වෙන සමහර machines වලට දැම්මට පස්සේ සමහර versions compatible නැහැ right if you are prepared a PowerPoint presentation using 2019 or 16 version. But if you are trying to open it as a 2007 version, that will be a problem. Right? So better to change, save it into PDF. Any questions, Pute?
No, sir.
All right. Now you know how to save it. Save it as a PDF. Just go to save as, the browse the location, then change the save as type into PDF. Right. Next thing is how I can save this presentation in the OneDrive. What is OneDrive?
It's something like saving a backup
Dinusha?
in a external cloud like.
It's a cloud-based service. Now you can see my desktop, right? If you go to this PC, right here on my desktop, you can see this PC. If I open this one, right here, there's options called that the OneDrive, right? OneDrive. This is a cloud-based service, right? OneDrive offered by the Microsoft Corporation. OneDrive. There's another one called the Google Drive offered by the Google Corporation. Apple Corporation, they have another solution. Likewise, different organizations, they have solutions based on the cloud service. This is the cloud service actually. This is the online space. Rather saving it on the local PC, right? We can save our files in a cloud-based space, right? What are the advantages of the cloud-based solution?
Sir, it doesn't take any storage from our computer.
Right. Very good. What are the other advantages?
Easy to access.
Easy to access anywhere, right? Anytime we can access our file, right? Where we go, just using a smartphone, we can access to the cloud storage, right? Easy to use. What are the other examples put it? Right? These are not in your textbooks, right? These are the external things, but you should know about it. Right? This is the local storage device, right? You can see in my PC there are 3 partitions: C, D, and E. Likewise, we have online space. That is, we call that the OneDrive. How we can open OneDrive? How to open Sharon? To open
That in the corner of the taskbar.
I will open it using Mozilla Firefox web browser, right? I will show it, right? How to open OneDrive. First, open a web browser. What are the examples for the web browsers?
Google Firefox.
Google Firefox.
Yahoo.
Yahoo means what, Puti? Yahoo is a web browser or search engine. It is a search engine. Dinusha, can you tell me some examples for the web browser? Any idea of it? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What are the examples? Then one is example of Mozilla Firefox, other one is Google Chrome. Then give me another 2 or 3 examples. One is, I will show here. This is Firefox. You can see the logo, Firefox, like this. And also here, and there's another one. May parents share on method. Firefox private browsing option right? Firefox private browsing. Another one, Google Chrome, like this. You can see the logo, Google Chrome, like this. There is another one. Have you ever heard about the Internet Explorer?
Yes, sir. It's produced by Microsoft.
Right. Internet Explorer. This one. Sir, old version. Right? Make a foreign version. Internet Explorer. What is the latest version? That is Microsoft Edge.
Windows 10 no, sir.
Anna Hari. Windows 10 operating system එකක් තමයි පුතේ මේ Microsoft Edge කියලා කියන්නේ. හරි මම මේකත් ඉස්සරහට කියලා දෙන්නම්. මේකේ තියෙන තාම සුවිශේෂී ලක්ෂණයක් මේ Microsoft Edge කියන එකේ. අපි ඉස්සරහට කතා කරමු. Now what I want to do is I want to open OneDrive using Mozilla Firefox. Therefore, I will open Mozilla Firefox like this. Right here, I will go to Google. What is Google, Buddha?
It's a web browser.
Google is not a web browser now. Right. But like Google.com is one of the best search engine in the world. Right? Google Chrome is the web browser. Right?
Sir, you open this Google from Firefox.
Yes.
Then it is a search engine.
Right. Remember the word. Google Chrome is a web browser, right? Google.com. If you say that Google.com like this, https://www.google.com is search engine. Right? Then I type, right? MS, right? MS 365. Can you remember, Sharon, this one?
Yes, sir. It is produced from Microsoft for like it is need to be purchased, but
Right.
we
You can
about
create a, yes, you can create a free account with it.
but sir, there are no more facilities in it.
Limited facilities, right? There are some few facilities.
It
Right.
can be used from many device at
Yes,
any place.
yes, exactly. Right. Just go to Google and search MS365. Now you got a result. In my case, you can see the first option, Microsoft 365 login. Right. Then you will see this kind of website. Then just click on sign in. Just click on sign in. Right. Here you need to put your username and password. If you have an account, you can put your username and password. If it is not you don't have account, just click on create one. You can put your personal Gmail address or Ymail or anything, right, when you are registering, right? My account is, right, this one, right? I have entered the password like this. Now you can see my Office 365 account, right, like this. Here, in this way, you can see the apps available, right? Apps. There are different apps. One is Outlook, Word, Excel, OneNote, Teams, SharePoint, Spade, PowerPoint. If you want to see more apps, just click on this. Right, loading. Slowly, all right. Here you can see, right? Here also, here forms, calendar, sway, Visio, stream, engage, to do, project, whiteboard, list, SharePoint, Power Automate, planner. These are the different kind of apps, right? And here, my intention is to explain about OneDrive. Here you can see OneDrive. Just click on it. Now it's opening. This is my online space, Buddha. Right? Now you can see I open it using a web browser. Right? I can configure this Microsoft 365 account into my smartphone also. Right? Then I can access to this drive, that is OneDrive. Here I have already saved some documents in this area, in this space. Here,
Sir, it is like a computer. There is even recycle bin.
yes, exactly. Here you can see my files, right? Recycle bin, favorite, and also I can share the folders or files with others like this. What I want to explain in this place is, right? Because we have already created the presentation, right? Exercise 1. Now I want to save this file, right? Not in my local PC, but in the OneDrive. Now I am going to explain how to save a file in the OneDrive, right? Here you can see my account. Just click on OneDrive, right? Then Then you can see my document inside the OneDrive document, right? Then give a name. I will say that the exercise 1 save in the OneDrive or something. Then just click on save. Now you can see it's saved in the OneDrive. Shall we check it? Just go to the web browser. I will refresh this one. Right, here you can see the file now. Can you see all?